Students, to draw the circuit easily, we must know about the standard symbols used for the electric components, which is used in the electric circuit. So first we will discuss about the electric cell. Electric cell is nothing but it is as colloquially we are calling it as a battery, but already we studied in 6th standard, if a single cell is there, we have to say it is an electric cell. More than one cell we are using, then we can say it is a battery, isn't it? See, here we are using 2 cells, so we can say it as a battery. But for the clock, we are using only 1, so we can say it as a cell. So for electric cell, how will you draw that in electric circuits? Otherwise in electricity, the terminals are most important. One is positive terminal and another one is negative terminal. So in battery, the metal cap side is a positive terminal and the plain base is a negative terminal. So only that we have to show, otherwise point out. So here the positive terminal will be drawn like a thin long line and the negative terminal will be drawn as a thick short line. Okay, and you have to write it is positive and it is negative. Is it clear? So I already told if one cell is used, we are calling it as an electric cell. So only one positive terminal and one negative terminal it will contain. If we want to use more than one cell, then it's called a battery. Means what? See, it is one positive terminal and one negative terminal. Again one positive terminal, one negative terminal. Like that number of cells used, that we are calling as battery. And this symbol will be like this. And next one, electric bulb. So electric bulb, in electric bulb, it is the important part is its filament. So this is the filament and around we are drawing around the filament. So this symbol will indicate the electric bulb. And next one is switch, a very good device to on or off the circuit, means cut, break or complete the circuit for our wish, under our wish. So this switch, see, there are 2 ends. On that one connector is there. So this connector is connecting the 2 ends now. So this is the symbol for switch is on. When the switch is off, how will you show? This connector, any one end is opened. So see here, it may be this end, otherwise it may be this end. If you show it as I have open, so the switch is in off mode. So what is the meaning of that? When the switch is in off mode, the circuit is a breaked one. No current is flowing through the circuit. And battery we already discussed. And here wire. Wire is a conductor. That one just as a line we are showing as a symbolic, just as a line. Okay. So for electric cell, a single long thin positive terminal and a thick short negative terminal line. And for electric bulb, as a filament and a round around that. And switch is in on mode, the both ends are connected, and switch is in off mode, any one end is open. And battery means number of electric cell joined together. So we showed that number of positive and negative terminal here. For conducting wire, just as a line we are using. Students, did you notice this here? For the electric cell, Number of electric cells joined together, we are saying it as a battery. And how the terminals are connected? See, one positive and one negative terminal is a single cell. From that single cell, the negative terminal is connected with the positive terminal of the next cell. And the second cell's negative terminal is connected with the positive terminal of the next cell. So like that, it is shown in your textbook. See, this picture is maybe clear one. So from the negative terminal, it is connected to the positive terminal, and this negative terminal is connected with the positive terminal. From the second cell's positive terminal is connected with the negative terminal. So like that, what? The batteries are connected. Can you see clearly in this TV remote? One battery is straight and another battery is upside down. Means what? And see here, this first battery's metal cap is positive terminal. So positive terminal is this one, and this is the negative terminal. From the negative terminal, the next electric cell's positive terminal is connected, and this is the negative terminal of the second cell. So number of more than one cell means it is a battery. So always you have to keep in mind, any components in the circuit, it should be connected with the alternating ends. Means one's positive terminal is connected to the next one's negative terminal. Is it clear, students? So this, see, this picture shows the battery holder. Like the same we are having in the TV remote, isn't it? TV remote. Otherwise in this, what? It is a single cell holder. In some electric toys, you may see in this battery holder. So now we studied about these symbols. By using this symbol, let me try to draw the first game arrangement. Do we try? Let me try, students. So in this game, what are the things were there? Otherwise, see this circuit. In this circuit, we had a electric cell, a bulb, and a iron pin working as a switch. So instead of this, how will you draw the symbols? By using the symbol, let me draw the electric circuit. So first we have to draw the electric source. Which is the electric source here? Yes, the electric cell. So electric cell, one side as a thin line, a positive terminal, and a thick short line here, negative terminal. From the positive terminal of the electric cell, one end of the, see, it may be positive or, yes, here from the negative end of the electric cell, one end of the bulb is connected. So negative end is this one, isn't it? This is positive, this is negative. So from this, we may draw the bulb here. So how will we draw the bulb? How will you draw the bulb? So like this. This lines will connected in two sides, and around this we will draw a circle. So it shows the bulb. Then from the another end of the bulb, it is connected to the switch. One switch is there, isn't it? So in this circuit, the bulb is glowing. So what kind, how will you draw that, show in the switch glowing of bulb? Yes, it is on mode switch. So we will connect the two ends, and the another end of the switch is connected to the next end of the what? Electric cell. So it is connected to the positive terminal.